Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to today's lesson. Today we're gonna talk about how we can make beautiful and interesting thumbnails using AI. Guys, making thumbnails for our YouTube videos are very important because most audience are interested with kind of videos that have beautiful thumbnails. So there are lots of platforms and websites for making good thumbnails, but today we're gonna talk about Canva. Convey is a beautiful platform for making beautiful thumbnails. Just right click on this link. So look, it is fully free. Just you need to make an account in Convey website. So I have already created my or signed in my email address. So there is no need for signing in. But first, when you are coming to this website, you must create your own account. So guys, in here you can make different kinds of designs such as documents, whiteboards, YouTube thumbnail, logo, Instagram post, and YouTube banner. So I'm gonna go today with YouTube thumbnail. Just right click on create blank. So in here it creates for you a beautiful interface with multiple built-in templates. So in here look, there are multiple templates that you can use for your YouTube channel thumbnails. So in here I'm gonna select one. For example, you can select this one. Look, just right click. Look, there are lots of templates in here. Every one of that you want, you can select it. So I have already selected this thumbnail. So now for customization or making some change, you can go. For example, I'm gonna delete this image. Here I delete it. So next if you want to upload your image, you can come to uploads, right click and uploads file. Look in here, I have some images in here. I'm gonna select this one. Look, it's uploading over here. And after upload, you can right click and here we go, we have an image. Just customize it in here. So guys, in here I have uploaded my image, and let me tell you, if your image has a background, you can remove its background using another AI website, background remover AI, and just right click on this website. It will upload your image over here and it will remove its background. So I have changed my image. Look, after that you can come and change your text. Just select this right in here, how to make YouTube, or sorry, we can write in here how to make thumbnails for YouTube. Then select this in here and decrease its size. Look, that is it. It looks very beautiful, and you can change its position, or you can add another design. You can use brand and also text. There are lots of things in here. You can write your YouTube channel name. For example, I can write in here coding with Usmani is my YouTube channel name. And then you can make it bold. You can apply some different colors over here. Okay, and in here you can write your own email. Just select this. It's my email, for example. So it looks very beautiful. So this is guys for today. If you want to make thumbnails via AI, you can use from Canva, and in here you have multiple designs. You can draw another thing. You can upload your projects. So Canva is the best AI website for making thumbnails and banners. The last thing in here guys, come to share. After share we have download, and in download we have file type. There are different kinds of file type: JPG, PNG, PDF standard, PDF print. So suggested PNG, and we will download our thumbnail and PNG file type. Select this and download, And here we go, we have successfully downloaded our PNG thumbnail. So guys, thank you for watching. For our more videos in database, web programming, and AI, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.